Have you ever left the faucet running while brushing your teeth? Or thrown trash near a river or storm drain? You may not realize it, but those small actions have big impacts. Today, we're exploring how humans are affecting Earth's water resources, from pollution to overuse, and more importantly, how we can protect it. Let's dive in. Earth has lots of water, right? Earth is called the blue planet because over 70% of it is covered in water. But only 3% of that is fresh water, and less than 1% is available for us to drink, cook, clean, or farm with. So even though there's a lot of water, the amount we can actually use is super limited. And here's the catch. Humans are making it worse. Part 1. Pollution. Dirtying the water. We need pollution happens when harmful stuff gets into our water. Let's look at the most common types. 1. Industrial waste factories can dump dirty chemicals into rivers and lakes. This harms fish, plants, and even drinking water. 1. Agricultural runoff. Pesticides and fertilizers from farms wash into rivers. Too much of these chemicals causes algae blooms that kill fish and pollute water. 1. Sewage and trash. Some areas don't treat sewage properly, and when we throw garbage on the ground, it often ends up in drains and rivers. Fact: a single plastic bottle can take 450 years to break down in water. That's older than your great-great-great-grandparents. Part 2. Overuse, using water. Faster than it replenishes pollution isn't the only problem. We also use too much water, especially in cities and farms. Long showers and leaking faucets. Farms that over-irrigate crops. Factories that use tons of water to make products. When we take more water from rivers and aquifers than nature can replace, they dry up. Even giant rivers like the Colorado River in the USA and Yangtze River in China are shrinking. In some places, groundwater is being pumped so fast, the land is sinking. Why this matters: without enough clean water, people get sick, crops can't grow, wildlife disappears, conflicts can happen over water supply. Water isn't just a natural resource, it's a human right, and we need to treat it that way. Part 3. Water conservation. What we can do. The good news: there's still time to make a difference. Here are 6 simple ways you can help conserve water. 1. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. You can save up to 20 liters a day. 2. Fix leaky faucets. A tiny drip can waste hundreds of liters per year. 3. Use water wisely in gardens. Water plants early in the morning or evening to avoid evaporation. 4. Don't litter pickup trash before it ends up in rivers or lakes. 5. Spread the word. Teach your family and friends about protecting water. 6. Support clean water projects. In some countries, people walk for hours just to get a bucket of clean water. By conserving water here, we protect it everywhere. Mini quiz time. What % of Earth's water is fresh water? Name 2 causes of water pollution. What's one way to conserve water at home? If this video helped you understand the true value of water, give it a thumbs up, tap subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that bell so you never miss a lesson. Next time, we'll dive into how climate change is affecting the water cycle and what that means for the future. Until then, every drop counts.